Hello, amazing learners. Welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Sophie, and I'm super excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Liam. Hey everyone. Today is going to be fun because we're going on a journey together.
That's right. But Liam, you look a little worried. What's wrong?
Well, Sophie, I have some exciting news. Next month, I'm flying to Japan for the first time.
Wow, Japan. That's incredible, Liam. But why do you look nervous?
To be honest, I'm a bit scared about the airport. There are so many steps, so many English words I might not understand. What if I get lost? What if I can't communicate?
Don't worry, Liam. That's exactly why we're here today. We're going to learn all the important English words and phrases you need at the airport. And guess what? Our listeners are coming with us.
Perfect. But before we start, friends, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that subscribe button for the HZ English Pod. It really helps us.
Yes, and give us a thumbs up if you're learning English for travel. Also, share this episode with anyone who's planning a trip soon. Okay, Liam, let's imagine it's the day before your flight. What's the first thing you need to do?
I need to pack. I'll put all my clothes in my big travel bag.
Good try. In English, we call that a suitcase. Can you say that? Suitcase.
Suitcase. Got it. I have a black suitcase with wheels.
Perfect. With wheels, that's important. Now, you can't take everything in your suitcase. What about your laptop, your phone charger, maybe a book to read on the plane?
Oh, I put those in my backpack.
Exactly. Your backpack is your carry-on bag or hand luggage. You carry it on the plane with you. That's why it's called carry-on.
Carry-on bag. Nice. So I have my suitcase and my carry-on bag. What else do I need?
This is the most important thing, Liam. Without this, you can't leave the country. Can you guess?
My passport.
Bingo! Your passport is essential. Keep it safe. I always put mine in my carry-on bag so I can access it easily.
Good idea. And I also have my flight ticket on my phone.
That's called an e-ticket or electronic ticket. Super convenient. Okay, so we're ready. Let's go to the airport.
Wow, Sophie, the airport is huge. There are so many people. Where do I go first?
First, look up at the big screens on the wall. Can you see them?
Yes, there are lots of cities and flight numbers.
Those are the departure boards. Departure means leaving. Find your flight to Tokyo.
Okay, I see it. Flight ANA 007 to Tokyo Narita. It says check-in counter 12.
Perfect. The check-in counter is where you give your big suitcase to the airline. Let's go there now. Look, there's a long line of people.
Should I say line or queue?
Great question. Americans say line. British people say queue. Both are correct. Now, imagine you're at the front. The airline staff member smiles at you. What does she say?
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Great job with that voice, Liam. Okay, you hand her your passport and show your e-ticket on your phone. What happens next?
Thank you. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
The scale is a machine that weighs your bag. Airlines have weight limits. Usually it's 20 to 23 kilograms. If your bag is too heavy, you might have to pay extra money.
Oh no, I packed too many souvenirs for my friends. Is my bag too heavy?
Your bag is 22 kilos. That's fine. No extra charge.
Phew, that's a relief.
Now comes a very important question. The staff asks, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Excited! Window seat. I want to see the sky and the clouds.
Window seats are beautiful. But listeners, remember, an aisle seat is next to the walkway in the plane. It's easier if you need to go to the bathroom or stretch your legs.
Good to know. So I choose window seat.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 24A. Please go to gate 7. Boarding starts at 9:45 a.m.
Wait, what's a boarding pass?
Your boarding pass is like your ticket to get on the plane. It has your seat number and gate number. Keep it safe.
Okay, I have my boarding pass. Can I go to the gate now?
Not yet. First, you have to go through security. This is where they check that you're not carrying anything dangerous.
Oh, I've seen this in movies. Do I have to take off my shoes?
Sometimes, yes. It depends on the airport and the country. But everyone has to do a few things. Listen to the security officer.
Please put your carry-on bag, laptop, phone, keys, and belt in the plastic tray.
A tray is like a flat container. You put all your things in it, and it goes through an X-ray machine.
Got it. Okay, everything is in the tray. Oh wait, I have a bottle of water in my bag.
Uh-oh, big mistake, Liam. You can't bring large liquids through security. The limit is usually 100 milliliters.
100 milliliters? That's so small.
I know. It's a security rule. Liquids include water, juice, shampoo, toothpaste, even yogurt. You have two choices. Throw it away or drink it right now.
Gulp, gulp, gulp. Okay, done.
Nice. Now walk through the metal detector.
Okay, I'm walking through. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh no, it's beeping. Liam, do you have coins in your pockets? Or maybe you forgot to take off your belt?
Oh, my belt has a metal buckle. Let me take it off. There we go.
Try again.
No beep. Success.
Yay, you passed security. Now you can collect your things from the tray and move to the next area.
Wow, this area is beautiful. There are so many shops and cafes.
Welcome to the departure lounge. This is where you wait before your flight. You can shop, eat, or just relax.
Look, that shop says duty-free. What does that mean?
Duty means tax. Duty-free means you don't pay tax on these products. So perfume, chocolate, and alcohol can be cheaper here.
Ooh, I want to buy some chocolate for my friends in Japan.
Good idea. But remember to check your time. You need to get to your gate before boarding starts. Check the monitors.
It's 9:15 now. Boarding is at 9:45. I have 30 minutes.
Perfect. But, Liam, let me teach you something important. Sometimes flights are delayed.
Delayed? What's that?
It means the flight is late, maybe because of bad weather or technical problems. If you see delayed on the screen, don't worry. Just wait and listen for announcements.
Good to know. Okay, I'll buy my chocolate and head to gate 7.
Attention passengers on flight ANA 007 to Tokyo Narita. We are now boarding all passengers. Please proceed to gate 7.
That's my flight. Sophie, what does boarding mean?
Boarding means getting on the plane. When you hear now boarding, it's time to go.
I'm at gate 7 now. There are many people in line. What do I do?
The gate is the door to the plane. Show your boarding pass and passport to the staff one more time.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Liam. Have a pleasant flight.
Now I'm walking down a long hallway. It connects to the plane.
That hallway is called the jetway or jet bridge. And now you're at the airplane door.
A smiling flight attendant is here.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Now I need to find my seat. My boarding pass says 24A.
Look above the seats. There are numbers. Row 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And the letters go A, B, C. A is the window.
Found it. But Sophie, where do I put my backpack?
Look up. See that compartment above your head? That's called the overhead bin or overhead compartment. You store your carry-on bag there.
It's a little heavy. Okay, got it. Now I can sit down.
Wait. Before you relax, you need to fasten your seatbelt. Click.
Seatbelt fastened. I'm ready for takeoff. Sophie, we're flying. Look at the clouds. They're beautiful.
Amazing, right? Now you can relax. The flight attendants will come around with a cart.
Oh, here comes someone. She's pushing a drinks cart.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like something to drink? We have coffee, tea, juice, water, or soda.
May I have orange juice, please?
Perfect English, Liam. Very polite. The flight attendant gives you a small cup of juice.
It's a long flight to Tokyo, about 11 hours. Will they serve food?
Yes, on long-haul flights, you get a meal. Usually, you can choose between two options.
For lunch today, we have chicken with rice or vegetarian pasta. Which would you prefer?
What will you choose, Liam?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Excellent. Now you can watch a movie, listen to music, or even sleep. Enjoy your flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending into Tokyo Narita Airport. Please fasten your seatbelts. We're landing! I can see Tokyo from the window. How exciting! The plane lands, bump, bump, and now you're in Japan. Yay! But wait, I'm not finished yet, right? Correct. Now you have to go through immigration or passport control. This is where an officer checks your passport. Okay, I'm standing in line. There are signs that say foreign passports. That's me. Good. Now you wait your turn. When it's your turn, the immigration officer will ask you some questions. Good afternoon. What is the purpose of your visit? Purpose means reason. Why are you here? You can say, I'm here on vacation, or I'm here for tourism, or I'm visiting friends. I'm here on vacation. How long will you stay? About 2 weeks. Okay, welcome to Japan. Stamp. Yay! I got the stamp in my passport. I'm officially in Japan. Congratulations, but don't celebrate yet. You still need to get your big suitcase. Oh, right. Where do I go? Follow the signs to baggage claim or baggage reclaim. This is where you pick up your checked luggage. I see it. There's a big room with a moving belt. Is that the carousel? Exactly. The carousel is like a conveyor belt. Your suitcase comes out on it. Just wait and watch. I see a blue bag, a red bag. Oh, there's my black suitcase with the orange tag. Quick, grab it before it goes around again. Got it. Now what? Now you go through customs. Sometimes they check if you're bringing anything illegal, but usually if you have nothing to declare, you just walk through the green channel. I only have clothes and chocolate. Nothing to declare. Perfect. Now you walk through the exit and you're free. Welcome to your destination.
Wow, Sophie, that was amazing. I feel so much more confident now. I learned so many useful words.
You did great, Liam. Let's quickly review the key words we learned today, everyone.
First, we learned about packing. Suitcase.
carry-on bag, passport, and e-ticket.
Then at the airport, departure board, check-in counter, boarding pass, window seat, and aisle seat.
At security, tray, liquids, metal detector. Remember, no big water bottles.
In the departure lounge, duty-free, delayed, gate, and boarding.
On the plane, jetway, overhead bin, seatbelt, takeoff, flight attendant, and meal.
And finally, when you arrive, immigration, passport control, baggage claim, carousel, and customs.
That's a lot of vocabulary, but it's so helpful.
And you know what? Practice makes perfect. Try using these words when you prepare for your next trip. Or even better, practice at home.
Great tip, Sophie. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel? What's your dream destination?
Yes, write it in English. And if you learned something new today, please subscribe to the HZ English Pod and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We'll see you in the next episode.
Have a safe flight, everyone. Bye-bye.
See you soon. Happy travels.